We are now leaving the kitchen. Now before taking another quick look, and we're going to the lab to see the third bedroom and the attached bathroom, designed with the same elegant black and white marble throughout, pretty countertops, and notice that black frame mirror which ties it all together. Same hardware, the same lighting, and we are making our way toward the garage entrance in this very functional built-in mud area, to then transition